Hey, I'm Nick Evans, co-founder and CEO of Avocado, and today we're going to look at using the AI to help us draw our chalkboard out front. So let's say we're a restaurant, we've got our chalkboard that we use to promote specials. We have this turkey and avocado sandwich. We gotta get more people buying the sandwich, more people coming in the door for it. So we're gonna use the image generation to give us some inspiration on how to draw this chalkboard. So here I'm going to use text-to-speech to ask the AI to help us with this. We'd like to promote the turkey and avocado sandwich. We have a chalkboard out front. Could you give me an idea for inspiration for drawing the chalkboard? Great, so it gave us some text. I'm going to tell it, and it's great because it'll use this text. Great, but generate an image for us as an example of what we could draw on the chalkboard. So now it'll start generating the image. Of course, this can be useful to give you a guide. Makes it a lot quicker than to come up with your ideas on the spot. All right, there we go. This is pretty cute. A turkey and avocados, they look pretty happy to be featured on the menu. We could use this for inspiration. It's kind of mixing new school and old school, right? To use AI to help you with some old school promotion. But that's just one example of what you can use the AI for. We're going through a ton of great examples. We'd love to hear from you as well on what you want to see the AI do. But follow along. We're gonna be going through a lot more of these. Thanks for watching.